guys, we are heading towards the swampy area where we can find mosquito larvae. This mosquito larva is essential for our feeding to our ornamental fishes, and these mosquitoes that we can find in this swampy area have caused a lot of trouble to the family living in this area, because these mosquitoes bring dengue and other disease to some of the residents in the said area. Today, I'm gonna show you the life behind these mosquitoes, because there are families that literally live together with mosquitoes, and you will see that in this video. So our plan is to visit the area, and we will get some mosquito larvae, and we will have an interview with some of these individuals about their experiences with this thousands, if not millions, of mosquitoes in their places. Of course, as a tropical fish breeder, I am glad that we can gather these mosquitoes, but to these families, mosquitoes really are annoying to their everyday life, especially to their kids, to their children, because this gonna bite them every now and then. And my plan, maybe I can make a part 2 of this video, and my plan is to give them some protection, and I will give them mosquito nets. So there is a wake here. Somebody died, and they're using this road as their place where they can have their wake on this dead person. But we are proceeding to this area where I have told you there are plenty of mosquitoes. Very small place. Okay, look at that, there's children. Okay, this will be our temporary parking. So guys, we are entering this pitik-pitik or mosquito larva. It's my friend. So we are here, guys, at this place that is really infested with mosquitoes, and these kids have been bothered by this mosquito here, because each mosquito will lay up to 200 eggs, and in just a matter of 14 days these mosquitoes will become adult and will lay eggs again. You can imagine the future of these kids. Their life have been endangered always of these mosquito bites. Problema dali, buhay na ning lamok. Kating magagabi makatulog ka.
Gay katulog lagi, takong mak sakit ng mak ba.
Saan ninyo pa dili mapagan sa gamit na mosquitero.
Kiro gani, ang mosquitero busot pulpot. Dili na gamito ka busot pulpot ng lamok, sulod po ng lamok, sulod. Kay iyan mo lamok kang katul.
Palom. Binoan.
Na, ito. Pero di katulog kay lamok pa. Kay lamok
Isa katulayon tiger katul.
Na. silbi.
Guys, I'm really perspiring, but June has revealed to us that during night time they cannot have a good sleep because of these mosquitoes. And I don't know how we can help them, guys. Maybe in the next video we can have some mosquito nets for them. And if you are touched, maybe you can also help us distribute mosquito nets for these people, especially for these kids. Katulog ba magtarong sa gabi, dili?
Dili!
Ano man?
Alam mo!
So these kids said that they cannot sleep well during night time because of these mosquitoes. And I don't know how we can help, but I promise them we'll go back and we'll make another vlog or video, and we will give them mosquito nets. Ano na ito ba?
Hindi lang mo. Mahulog ka din eh.
Hey guys, Jardine is a mother, pinay mo anak, is a mother of 4 kids, and the problem comes every night because they cannot sleep well and they're asking for double size mosquito nets for their kids to just have a good sleep during the night.
Ako kay basura. Dagan pa kayo dito ko lang.
There are millions of them. Millions of mosquitoes.
Pagul kay Rosa ni sa Irana.
Kinsa?
Ano yung bata?
Ano naman, tungkol sa lamok.
Ikaw dato?
Ito sa inyo.
Madali. Kankasan nito sa nom.
Ay, kasi sudan.
Wala pa ah. Wala pa. Ako dito ko lang. Wala ko dito doon tayo. Ilang ko.
So guys, we're here at the house of June and Lola Pasing. You know, this is June and his mother Pasing, and they're just living in this area. I'm always visiting them because every day I am gathering this mosquito larva for our fish, and the situation is here. It's just asking for mosquito net so that they can sleep well because of these mosquitoes. And Lola Pasing is 86 years old. So Lola Pasing, mabalik og ma, tagaan taga og moskitero. Okay na? Tagaan taga moskitero. Okay na. Sige. So, bye-bye. Lola Pasing, bye-bye sa camera. Bye-bye. She cannot hear well. We will buy 10 pieces of mosquito nets for our friends there at Talon. So guys, we have just bought 10 pieces of mosquito nets for our less privileged, less fortunate brothers and sisters there, and it breaks my heart to see them bothered by the noise and the bites of this mosquito. So I think these mosquito nets can help them a lot, and in one way or the other, this could help them to have sound sleep during the night. Oh, na akong natag ni mo. No, mosquito. Pwede na kapakog lamok.
Katulro may gamit Junjun.
This is the place of Lola Pasing. He sleeps here with the mosquitoes. She has no mosquito net. Okay, look at this place. Pity this grandmother. And I hope that this mosquito net will allow her to have a good night's rest. So guys, they are the recipients of our mosquito nets, and their request really is to have just at least one mosquito net per family, because the mosquitoes really are disturbing every night. So we're gonna give them this mosquito nets.
Thank you sa moskitero. Depende sa mosquito.
Hindi naman makatulog lagi man na. Kana, dili pa na mo gawan, mamanghulan ng ginawa. So that's our little help, guys, for these people who are really bothered by these mosquitoes. Aside from we are getting mosquito larvae, that is not enough, because these mosquitoes can just fly in 14 days. From the life cycle of these mosquitoes to become an adult one is just 14 days, and we're getting larvae, and it's not enough. I hope you like this video, and this is our little way to help and extend help to other people. And please don't forget to like and share, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe only here at Dexter's World.